Today we're gonna talk about a famous place in your city.
Let's go, let's go.
Get ready.
Go!
After 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, quite a few stadiums and swimming centers become popular, among which the National Aquatic Center, known as the Water Cube, is one of the hottest spots. It is located in Chaoyang District, the eastern part of the Beijing city. I often go there about twice a week, cause it's near my community, only about 15 minutes walk. The water cube is divided into several parts, including a swimming center, a water park, and a theater. People can go swimming and entertain themselves there. For swimmers, it's really a great place. Those who can swim well are allowed to enter the deep pool, while learners are suggested to stay in the shallow end. Many beginners learn to swim under guidance of instructors. Also, the water cube is a good spot to have fun. In the water park, people can have a lot of amusements. For instance, one of the rides is called Drifting in a Dream. I remember I sat in an inflatable boat, drifting down the water with a view of fairyland, which of course is made artificially. It is so famous because it is not only a new symbol of Beijing for its unique design, but also a nice place for people across age and gender groups. People can work out or take their children to enjoy family time there. In conclusion, the Water Cube is one of my favorite places. It attracts an increasing number of people to pay a visit all over the world.